Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about error handling. Let's see, in your playbook, you have some mistakes or the resources not exist when you going to execute the playbook. In case the playbook, all the task will get fails, right? So in that case, how we can handle the error? Let's see. I have one playbook which I have written. So in this playbook, you can see in my task I have asked in my first task, which need to be copy the error file.txt, which need to be copy from this source to the destination path var www.html. So this is my playbook file. And in next step, I have a need to install using packet manager. Need to install HTTPD package, and then this HTTPD need to be start. So I already have a setup of the machines. If you see my previous video, you can understand it. Let's see. So here I have a host file, which is consist of the two machines private IP details. So let's create a file called error handling, error-handling.yaml. So this is my file. Let's edit this file and update my script here. So now I have created the file, but in my case, what I'm going to do, I just ignore this line. So let's see what will happen. So here I have the file called error handling. So this is my script, same script I have copied, except the ignore errors, which is I mentioned as a S. So now I'm clearing the screen. Let's execute my playbook here. Ansible playbook error handling. So let's execute my playbook. So while I execute the playbook, you can see here there is a message could not find or access etc ansible error file.txt, which means I don't have the file name which consists of error underscore file.txt. So that's why the task is getting failed. Yeah, so other task also which is getting failed now. So let's do the editing with this YAML file. Now I'm going to add in my YAML file, which I have the same script. So now I added ignore error, which is I'm saying as a S, which means this if this task is get failed, this task need to be ignored. So like that, I have mentioned in the task itself. Let's try with this YAML file again. So you can see now, uh, now again, I have the message which says could not find the access of etcd ansible error underscore file.txt, which means the file is not found or it is not accessible. Even though it is not accessible, I can able to install the Apache, as well as I can able to start the Apache in my slave machines, which means that when I added the ignore errors, which is going to S, it's ignored if it is not exist. In case if it is failed also, it will ignore the task and it will execute the other task. So like this, you can configure your playbooks whenever you don't want to restrict other tasks which is interrupting with other tasks. Whenever the failures happen, the playbook always will execute the other task. I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this helpful, you can give thumbs up and subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. Thanks for watching.